Bosch renamed their Classic 6 washing machine line to Bosch Series 2.
But it's the same form factor and the same parts in this machine, and we can tell you how it will be after 4 years. How long we use this machine?
If we use it 4 or 5 times a week and 4 years, and it's in perfect condition, so
yeah, it's working good, and maybe your low-end Series 2 will work the same because it has the same parts and the same form factor.
okay, so today we're gonna show you how to use it and how we use it.
Yeah, how we use it and how it will be after your 5 years new Series 2.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So for washing your shoes, we've got this net bag, and you put the shoes in it so that the laces won't get in the washing machine and you won't get any damage.
Yeah, without this net.
You will get this damage,
Yeah,
and that's what we don't want.
yeah, it must hurt your shoes.
Yeah.
Put it in.
Now let's put them in. And we're ready to go.
Put the shoes in.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, close it. Okay, and I put some.
Wait. You need to select the mode.
Not many detergent. I think it will be enough. In compartment number 2.
Yeah. No.
Yes.
No. Close it.
Close it.
Cold water.
Cold water.
Water, and we're ready to go. Now in 1 hour and 35 minutes it'll be done.
Like new one.
Yeah.
And we use it more than 5 years and it's good. Maybe Series 2 is the same washing machine like this.
The only difference between Bosch Classic 6 and the Bosch Series 2 is that they did a new redesign a bit. And the drum is not for 6 kilograms like in Classic 6, but for 7 kilograms. So we made it a bit bigger.
But everything is the same in this washing machine. And it will work like this one.
Yes.
And it's the same plant produced it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It's finished, so now we turn it off. And also a good thing about this washing machine is that it is very quiet. So now let's take out our sneakers, our shoes, carefully so we don't rip the net. And let's go put them to dry. So they look clean. They're clean, yeah. Yeah, now we need to let them dry.